Have you ever experienced a moment that completely changed your life? Today, I'm not just a teacher, I'm a father. And this is a story about my son. If you understood this story, your English level is great. Try to understand. Hello everyone, this is CP sir from Khatri Institute. Today, I'm not going to teach you grammar or vocabulary. Today, I want to share you my personal story, the happiest moment of my life, the birth of my son. That day, I am still remembering that day. I was at home. I was sitting at home, and my father already has taken my wife to the hospital. I was alone, just waiting. See, you cannot guess how I was feeling. I was very nervous, and I was excited too, but also afraid of that. I was nervous, I was excited, and I was afraid. I didn't know what was going to happen. Time was moving very slowly. Every minute felt very long. I was thinking again and again. Everything should be fine. After some time, I got a call. You can guess what was that. My heart was beating very fast. I picked up the phone and I heard, "Congratulations, it's a baby boy." At that moment, I had no words. I'm a teacher, I know many words. But that day, I was completely speechless. I only felt happiness, pure happiness. That was the moment my life changed. I realized now I'm not only living for myself. I have a responsibility now. I became a father. It's a joy. After that, everything felt different. When I saw my son for the first time, I felt something very special. I cannot explain my feeling, but it was beautiful. Yes, I slept less. Yes, I had less time, but my happiness became unlimited. Now, I want to ask you a question. Are you a father? Or do you want to be a father in the future? Write in the comments, father or future father. But everything was not perfect. Something happened that really shocked me. I will share that story in part 2. What happened actually? If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. This is CP sir teaching not only English but also life. Thank you. Have a great time. We'll meet tomorrow.